Today, liquid nitrogen ice cream is going to be presented by the CSU Chemistry Club. So go ahead, warm welcome to them.
Well, thank you all for being here today. My name's Maya. Me and Liz are the outreach coordinators for the CSU Chemistry Club. So we love to take liquid nitrogen and other fun chemistry demos all around Fort Collins and share our love of science. We have liquid nitrogen here with us. Has anyone seen liquid nitrogen before? Oh good, I'd love to see some hands. What happens if you took liquid nitrogen and put it in a little container and put the lid on? Does anyone have a guess what might happen? Oh yeah, I see some hands in the back. I can just shout it out. It might explode. Any other guesses? Might be a gas. I like it. Let's see what happens. What temperature do you think we have to chill liquid nitrogen down to get it into a liquid state? It's negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not on the stove. Is it going to boil? Let's see. Can you hear that? So our liquid nitrogen is boiling at room temperature. We get started with our big demo today. Today we're going to be making liquid nitrogen ice cream. Sugar and whole milk. Heavy cream. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It'd be great. And vanilla. So we'll make our ice cream here. We'll go and hand out on both sides of the table. So you have to continually stir it and make sure that it's good.